This is Miss Howard. I wanted to show you how to access SORA, which is our app where we have all of our ebooks and audiobooks for the entire district. As a Columbia student, you will have access to all ebooks and audiobooks throughout Brevard County. So I wanted to show you how to do that because that is how you will find some and all of the books for the Media Center enrichment activities if you choose to do those. So you're going to open up your Launchpad, and then on your Launchpad you should have an app that says BPS SORA, has a little astronaut on it. You're going to go ahead and click on that, and then they have changed the sign-in process. You can just go ahead and click sign in using Brevard County School District, and it should take you right to the landing page. If it does not, your login is your student number at brevardschools.org, and your password is the same password you use to log into the computers. So this should be what your landing page looks like. We have all of our Sunshine State Junior books for this year, and then you can scroll down. There's other popular subjects you can look through, different titles for elementary schools, but for what I'm going to show you, we're going to stick to the Sunshine State list. So we want to look for, the first book you'll need is Ada Twist. So if you look up here where it says search for a book, and you will type in Ada Twist, and then search, it will take you right to all of the different books that we have with that title. Now for the enrichment activity for this week, you're going to use the one that says borrow. If you find a book that has headphones like this, that is an audio book and it will read it to you. You can tell that this one has already been checked out because it has a place hold next to it. If you come hover over the clock, it should tell you about how long the wait is. So this one is a wait list of 2 weeks. So you can come right over here to the borrow and it will check it out to you. And then you can go ahead and start reading it now, or you can read it at another time. So I'm going to go ahead and X out of this. And then there's also little badges that you can earn for borrowing books, signing in, reading so many books. And I'll show you where to find that in just a minute. But let's go ahead and get rid of this. So we'll go back to Explore. Let me see. Some of the other things that you can look through. We can explore all subjects, and this has over 1,000 titles, all different ebooks, audiobooks. So if you have a preference for an audiobook, you can click on that. And let's see. Let's look at science. So this tells you all of our different science ebooks that you can read. Another thing you guys can do if you are on this, we'll go back to Explore. Let's see. We have K2, and we also have the Sunshine State lists for grades 3 through 5, and then also 6 through 8. So if you wanted to read some of those that you didn't get a chance to read before, I know Small Spaces has been pretty popular with our 5th and 6th graders. Some of the ones that are popular with our 3rd through 5th graders was Sled Dog School, Bob, Wedgie and Gizmo was also very popular. You can either listen to that or you can read it. Once you have a book checked out, you'll just go to your shelf, and then it'll show you all the books you have checked out. And the nice thing about our ebooks and audiobooks is they automatically get returned. So you don't have to worry about your books being late. You can also see what holds you have if you have any books waiting on hold, and it'll tell you how much longer. So before, when I checked out Ada Twist, a badge popped up. So if you go over here to the three lines, kind of look like 3 pancakes, and click on those, you have your, I guess your avatar up at the top. We are connected right now to the Brevard County School District Library. You can also add a public library card, and then you can check out books through here with your public library card. It'll link you over to the Brevard Public Library system as well. So right here, I've clicked on that. And you can change your nickname. You can see all of your different achievements. So far, I've only had 2 out of 20 achievements. But you get them for basic things like opening up Sora, borrowing a book. We're not going to assign any books, so You could earn the bookworm one, the scholar, different things like that. So you kind of get little achievements the more that you read. So if you have any questions, let me go back. Go all the way back to the beginning to explore. There we go. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. My email is howard.lindsey, Lindsey, @brevardschools.org, and I will try to help you out as best as I can. We miss you all, and we cannot wait to see you guys when we are able to get back to school. Again, if you need any help, please reach out. I am here to help you any way that I can.